let's talk about belongingness. When we say I belong to so and so family, when you say I belong to so and so community, we say we belong to so and so area, location, city, I belong to so and so state. We restrict our belongingness, and we have, when we say we belong to some place or something, it also sometimes creates sort of distance between us and others who are not a part of that. So it's time to start thinking that perhaps we need to expand our belongingness. We love to eat Manchurian dish from China. We enjoy Italian pizzas, Danish cookies, but we don't say we belong to China or Denmark or Italy, right? We need to look at it this way, that the entire world belongs to us. This world is made for us. We have to be a symbiotic part of this world, and we need to expand our belongingness and try and have a sense of empathy and caring towards everyone on this planet. Animals, humans, birds, trees, everything. We need to look at it this way, that when we can care about people whom we think we belong to, why can't we care about everyone and belong to everyone? Why can't we start saying, I belong to this earth, I belong to this world, and just see how you as a person will blossom, your leadership skills will blossom, people will be more interested in you when you are caring, when you have courtesy, when you have common courtesies. Like sometimes in my city where I reside, Pune, we see at traffic signals, we see with the huge traffic on the roads and narrow roads, many people are trying to cut each other and go ahead of each other, and then just go ahead of someone and wait, because anyways it's a jam, and it's actually a hopeless achievement. However, everyone is trying to push someone behind and go ahead. Why can't we just let people who are ahead be ahead of us? Isn't it? So belongingness has to be expanded. We have to look at belongingness towards everyone. On the roads, he is my fellow Puneite. He is a fellow traveler on the same road. She is a fellow traveler on the same road. Why can't we just care about them also? Think about it. Belongingness is a very, very important thing, and it drives the human spirit. Namaste.